Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to Gmail, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot to Gmail, start by logging into your HubSpot account. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. On the Integrations page, look for the Email Integrations section. Click on Connect Personal Email. You will be prompted to choose your email provider. Select Google to connect your Gmail account. A new window will open asking for your Google account information. Enter your Gmail address and click Next. Now, input your password and click Next again. You may need to complete a security verification step if prompted. Once you're in, you will see a list of permissions HubSpot requires. Review these permissions carefully. Click on Allow to give HubSpot access to your Gmail account. After granting access, return to your HubSpot account. You should receive a confirmation that your Gmail is now connected. To ensure everything is working, try sending a test email from HubSpot using your connected Gmail. Check your inbox to confirm you received the test email. Once confirmed, you're all set to use HubSpot with Gmail. If you encounter any issues during the process, visit the HubSpot Help Center for troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.